Hey YouTubers, this is Tool Taz here. This is on the 2016. Today is the 6th of January of 17. This is on the Ford truck month. This is what I'm building. It's pretty much gonna be box stock. The chassis is painted right now. It's not detailed or anything. The interior is painted but not detailed either. It's pearl white. One coat lacquer is what this is. Actually, no, that's not. That's poke art. Pearl white. And then the block is, the engine is going to be a Chevy. The kit's motor actually is a Chevy, if anybody's ever built this kit. Anybody who built this kit wants to build a box, basically a showroom stock truck. Well, you kind of can't. There's only one way you can build it, and that's basically a straight rod or a 60s street machine or something in that style, because it's got a Chevy V8 put in it. I mean, it's nice. It's a nice V8. It's right here. It's got two option valve covers. One's the finned, one's a stock style chrome, and then it's got the chrome air cleaner. Front cover, that's also chrome. Carburetor is chrome plated. The alternator is chrome plated. Comes with this tree. And then because this is a 60, not the 61, it's a little different kit. Comes with a 60 grill. Without the molded headlight details. Woo-hoo. And then, of course, the 61 bumper. I'm going to do the tonneau cover on this option because it's going to be metallic blue on the body. The blue I'm using is right here. And it's outside on the paint booth right now drying. The engine I'm used is a Revell. One of their Model A's or Model T's street rod kits. It's come out as the Zan for a while, the Fruit Wagon. They're Dr. Feelgood, I think it's what they call it, show rod. It's the one that had their 34 Fords also had the same Butler's T Zan had a little 302 in it. Well, this is the 302 out of it. Still, it's just painted. Still got a lot of detailing to do on it. Don't know yet what wheels I'm going to use yet. I don't know if I'm going to use the stock slot modulars, or I got these Knox. These here are actually from the, as you can photo, 34 Ford Ford pickup truck that Lindbergh and AMT had. That's the Lindbergh's version. There's more parts to that little T-bucket motor. Well, that's what the engine that's going in this truck is. I hope everybody's is in this. Also, there's other build-offs right now. Young Model Master is doing a big body muscle car group build. If you have a chance, if you're not into the Ford truck month and you don't want to build a Ford truck, go over to the Young Model Master. Join into his big body muscle car group. If you're into box stock builds, build yourself a box stock Impala. AMT just released their 68. There's 60. Well, there's 7. There's 67 Impala Super Sport kit. Build that. If you're not into that one, there's Mopars. There's Ford Galaxies. Build a Galaxy 500. They're classified a muscle car by terms. Support the other build-offs. The Chevy Cheeseburger's got the all-out. Build yourself something crazy. Wires, the whole 9 yards. Go for kill. That's it. I was gonna work on a Firestone 79 pickup, but I decided not to. No, just didn't. I had this kit. I had the MOBA 71 over there. It's still a build. 71 or 70. This is custom sport. It's a two-door. It's the short bed V8 truck. I think it's a 71. I think. That's a Ford. I've got probably parts enough in there to build a 32 Ford or another 34 Ford rod out of parts. It's one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite kits to build up. They just go together so good. You can bash through all of them to build a pretty nice, pretty neat little hot rod truck. Hope everybody got their new issue of their contest issue. Has a bunch of bills, some ideas. Hope everybody's building and have fun. Good luck. This is Tool Taz or Todd signing out.